If you try to send some money from your Interactive Brokers account to a virtual bank account like Airstar in Hong Kong, and your funds transfer got rejected by your virtual bank, and if that's the problem you had, I have the answer for you because I just did that and I spent a few hours with both Interactive Brokers and with Airstar. And here's the answer. Now, this only applies when you are trying to send some local currency, that is Hong Kong dollar, from Interactive Brokers to Airstar Bank. And you chose the local electronic transfer, not a wire transfer. So what happens is that when your transfer amount is over $1 million Hong Kong dollars, Interactive Brokers uses a funds transfer method called gyro, G-I-R-O. So that's a very old technology, probably started back in the 1950s or so. And some of the banks in Hong Kong are still using that old technology, including Interactive Brokers. But some of the newer ones, like the virtual banks, they don't use it. So therefore, if Interactive Brokers try to send money through that method, the virtual bank would say, oh, it's the wrong or incorrect account number. That's because they couldn't really recognize it, and they have to come up with an excuse and say, hey, this is the incorrect account number. And that obviously is wrong. So when I was talking to Airbank, I told them, I said, look, you know that you are not able to handle gyro funds transfer wire instructions. And so if that's the case, you should tell your customers that's the case, and rather than telling people that they had the incorrect account number, because you're misleading people. And as a result, you actually let people waste a lot of time. So I did, and I wasted probably a couple of hours at least talking to both institutions. Now I have the answer, and here it is for you, and hopefully actually you will save some time if you are lucky enough to find this clip and you're trying to send some Hong Kong dollar from your Interactive Brokers account to a virtual bank, and the amount is over $1 million. But if the amount is less than $1 million Hong Kong dollars, then you can still use the local electronic local electronic transfers, and that's okay. But if it's over $1 million, it doesn't work. If it's over $1 million, they say just use the wire transfer. And that's it. Thanks, folks, and I hope that is going to be helpful to you.